Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the wheel on a Logitech G29, understanding that there is no officially supported method for this. The G29 racing wheel is not designed for easy wheel swaps. It lacks the quick-release mechanism found on many higher-end systems. Changing the wheel on a G29 requires significant technical skill and will inevitably void your manufacturer's warranty. This modification is not for the faint of heart. The primary reason for this difficulty lies in the G29's internal design, where the wheel rim is deeply integrated with its internal electronics. The force feedback motors, along with the button wiring, are directly attached to the existing wheel's structure. Disassembly involves navigating many delicate components and numerous small screws. You must carefully detach several sensitive wires and connectors before any changes can be made. If you choose to proceed with a modification, you will need specific tools to complete the task successfully. An essential small Phillips head screwdriver is required, along with a Torx T10 bit to access internal components. A plastic prying tool can help prevent cosmetic damage during disassembly. Soldering equipment might also be necessary for custom wiring connections. Precision and immense patience are crucial for this intricate task. The general modification process begins by carefully removing approximately 12 small screws that secure the existing wheel rim to the base. Subsequently, you must meticulously disconnect the flat ribbon cable and various other wires connected to the buttons and paddle shifters. To attach a new, aftermarket wheel rim, you will absolutely need a third-party adapter designed specifically for the G29. These adapters typically bolt onto the original wheel hub structure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.